Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. We're on the process of moving right now overseas, and of course I will share with you some videos of how we're cleaning our house before renting it, so stay tuned. So right now I'm coming to you guys really quick just to show you another dinner idea. I have some leftovers. I have some chicken here that I got from Costco, and mostly why I wanted to cook this dinner like this because I have this feta cheese, and I bought this at Costco and it comes in 2 packs, and this is a lot. I took that because it was kind of cheap and we like feta cheese. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna use some of this feta cheese to make a sauce that we'll be eating with this pasta. And the shells are good. I mean, to me this kind of pasta are good to eat with the cheese sauce, because the sauce can go inside the pasta, so every time you chew on some pasta you have the juicy part. I mean, that's just me. So I have some spinach here. This is half a pack of frozen spinach, and I have some garlic. So this is half of my leftover chicken from Costco, and I have some plain yogurt that will add to my sauce. So I'm not gonna add all of this, probably 1 cup. And my water is boiling already. My oven is on because I need to warm up this chicken. So first I'm gonna put the pasta in the water since it's boiling. I'm gonna add some salt to the water, just for some flavor. Here we go. And now let's add this pasta. So I just have the pack. So I'm gonna let this cook until it's al dente, or soft enough, mostly for the kids to eat them. And now I'm gonna put the chicken on my baking sheet, so it will go in the oven just to warm it up. Here we go. I love Costco roasted chicken. It's really good. Plus it's not that expensive, so $5 for the $5.99. It's really good. I'm not gonna trash this juice, I'm just gonna add it. Here we go, and let's put this in the oven. Here we go. Okay, so now let's make the sauce. So I'm gonna be using my Vitamix. So in my Vitamix I'm gonna put the yogurt. I have some left here. Come on, work with me. Here we go. So I'm gonna add some. So this is plain yogurt, of course. If you want, you can also use Greek yogurt. And so now I'm gonna add the feta cheese. Here we go. So you see the block that I'm using. Here we go. I wonder if I can keep this feta cheese in the other pack, if I can keep it in the freezer. You guys let me know. Can I put the feta cheese in the freezer or not? So now I'm gonna add the garlic and the spinach in here. Here we go. I'm gonna add some salt. So I think you can add anything you want. If you're gonna add onion or any other seasoning, go ahead. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. go. And let's mix it. Alright, I think that's good. Everything is blended now. Looks good. And the good thing with this frozen spinach, they don't take, in general spinach doesn't take a long time to cook, so even though I put it raw in here, so it's gonna cook pretty quick when I add it to the pasta. It's good. I like it. Okay, so let's check the pasta. Of course, besides spinach, I think you can add any other green vegetables, and you can add basil or anything else. I added the spinach in the sauce so my kids gonna have some vegetables, because I don't want to see them picking the food, trying to remove all the green stuff. I'm gonna check if the pasta are cooked. I'm gonna leave it 5 more minutes and then we add the sauce. I mean, we're gonna drain the pasta first and add the sauce. So I'm gonna reuse the same pot and I'm gonna add some olive oil. It's like 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add the pasta. It smells good. I'm pretty sure with basil it will smell even better. This sauce will be also good with some, pretty sure with some pasta salad. So if you want to eat something cold, so I guess I could have also put the cold chicken, some cold pasta in the sauce. It would be great also for a pasta salad. Here we go, the chicken is ready, the pasta are ready. So here you have it. So I think now we're ready to eat. And I'm gonna add some vegetables, all the vegetables on the side also that my husband cooked, because he loved vegetables. And yes, so you guys, if you have any, I mean, what do you guys do with leftovers? Do you make another dish out of it? You know, just let me know down below what you guys do with your leftovers. And also for the feta cheese, let me know if it's a great idea to put in the freezer so I can keep it longer. Okay, thank you. For the veggies, my husband added some cabbage, zucchinis, carrot, eggplant, onions, and some cranberries to add a little sweetness. Yeah, he's pretty creative.